Magandang gabi po. Magta-try po tayo ng budget dinner for today. Adobong kangkong. Tapos meron pong toasted garlic sa ibabaw. Tapos meron po akong dalawang soft-boiled eggs dito. Well, pwede rin pong hard-boiled. Pwede rin pong sunny side up. Depende po sa inyo. Wala naman po ako nakikita na ingredients dito that would trigger a blood sugar increase. No? I'd go ahead and eat this and then i-measure din po natin kung meron po ba siyang gagawin sa blood sugar ko. Probably in 1 hour time or 1 hour and 30 minutes no para makita po kagad natin. Conclusion na po tayo dun sa kinain kong adobong kangkong with 2 soft-boiled eggs. That was 2 hours ago. So yung blood sugar level ko po when I started eating was at 115. And then after 1 hour, nag-117 po siya. Pero before reaching 117, nag-119 pa po siya. And yun na rin po yung peak. And then after 10 minutes, nung 117, bumaba po siya kagad, nag-113. And then finally, on the second hour, 108 po yung final blood sugar level. So ang conclusion po natin, no, wala pong problema yung adobong kangkong. Wala din pong problema yung 2 soft-boiled eggs na kinain ko. I was expecting na ganun naman po talaga yung magiging resulta niya. Dahil wala naman pong carbohydrates, no? So yung movement po ng blood sugar from 115 to 119 to 117, fluctuation lang po yun. And I'm pretty sure kung itatry nyo po yan, almost the same results po yan. Wala po talagang problema dyan if you're going to try it for dinner. Yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Reminders lang po, huwag pong mag-aanli. Always eat in moderation. Di po ako doktor, so whenever in doubt, konsulta po kayo sa doktor ninyo. And yung results po ng mga review na ginagawa ko, it may vary. So huwag niyo pong i-expect na yung resulta sa akin is magiging kapareho po ng resulta sa inyo. So yun lang po. Have a nice day.